Hi there, this is Frida from EMCsoft. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're going to talk about website forms. So stay tuned and let's master Bitrix24 together. First, we're going to head to our Sites and Stores section on the left side menu. And once we're in the Sites and Stores section, we can go down to Customers and we will see the Contact Center. So we're going to click there to open that up. And here we're going to see the website form. Basically, here you're going to be able to manage all of your CRM forms or even create a form directly from here. Okay, so if I click here on Forms, I'll be able to see all of the forms I already have. And I can delete forms from here, edit them, reset the counters, etc. Okay, and I can also add one directly from here. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and create a quick form. Awesome, and ours will be a quick feedback form. Okay, first name, email, phone, and comment. And we're just gonna remove comment. We'll just leave it very, very simple. Okay, and we're gonna call this form our test form. So we're gonna change this here. Test website form. Beautiful. And we're going to leave everything as is. If you need help creating your website forms and in general any CRM forms, there is plenty of videos that we have already created that take you through each one of these menu options on the left side and takes you from scratch on how to create a form. Okay, so we're not going to go too deep into that now. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and click save. Beautiful. Now I'm going to head back. We're going to go ahead and open our Sites and Stores section again. Go to Contact Center. And if I click here on my forms, I should see my new test website form here all the way at the top. Beautiful. So we've got two ways to actually add this to our website. Okay, so the first way is if you are using the website creator section in Bitrix. Okay, so I'll take you through that first. Again, we're here in Sites and Stores. So if you already have a site on here, so for example, let's say our site is this one here. Okay, I view the pages. If you already have your website here, then just go there to edit. And we're going to add a brand new form, the one that we just created. We're going to add that into our website. So to add that, I'm going to go ahead and add a block. Okay. And down here, I'm going to be able to see CRM form. I can choose the style in which I want to add this new CRM form. Okay. So I'm just going to choose a very simple one. Awesome. And I'm just going to hit edit. And I'm going to edit the block again. And then here I can choose which form I want to add here, okay? So we already have our test form, okay? So test website form, that's the one I'm going to use here, okay? And I'm going to click save. And now when I open my site, I will see the CRM form right up top where I placed it, right? So people will be able to go through the full website and see that CRM form up top. So that's how you add your CRM form to your website. Now, if your website is not created on Bitrix, maybe you've created it on WordPress or somewhere else, you can always just embed the form, okay? So how to embed the form, let's go back. And we'll go back to the Contact Center. And here in the website form, I'll go to Forms again. And I can get the linker code. So in this case, I'm going to be able to view the code, just copy this snippet and paste it in your WordPress. So just embedding that on your website, okay? So very, very simple, very easy, straightforward. And that's how you would use the website forms here on the Contact Center.